Now we are competing global manufacturers as well as the global component manufacturers. Indian component manufacturers now facing a major issue is the labor. I am Prabhu Shankar, Senior Business Development Manager, Jyoti Automation Limited. Our machine is a DXG100. It's a machine with a simple automation with a gantry. So you can do OP10, OP20 without any manual interaction. Indian manufacturers who are all manufacture more production components, this machine is the good solution for that. Jyoti CNC Limited is one of the pioneer company in India. We are the 5th largest machine tool manufacturer in the world. We have a complete solution for all kind of machining in all segment and all sector. Please visit our stall in our HIMTEX exhibition, hall number 2, stall B01.